Read with Val. Read on, have fun, and dream big. My name is Valerie. Today I am in the sky with the moon and the stars, which fits today's OwlcrateJr box. So this is the August OwlcrateJr box, and let's open it. So the theme right here, Moonlight and Stardust. There's an interview with the author as well as different activities you can do and everything. So that's very fun to look at. There's a lot of zigzaggy stuff here. Just put that to the side. Okay, first thing I see here is this box. It's a very pretty box. Very pretty. Let's open it. Okay. That's what I see. I'm not really sure what it is. Could be a lot of things. Wooden blocks, you could say. I just pressed something and it glowed. The night light. I'm going to attempt to make this right now very, very quick, hopefully. Do this, I can do it. This is nice. Whoa. Wow. Okay. I think, so inside there's even a charger. I'll do that, okay? Thank you. Okay, next there's an OwlcrateJr. Moonlight drowns out. I feel it's flat and but the brightest stars. That is said by J.R.R. Tolkien. That's a quote. Wow. Let's open it. It's a mirror. Wow. Yay! Wow, that is super duper cool. It's very, very pretty. And honestly, it's super duper small and pretty light. So I would say this is really, really handy. It's a kaleidoscope. These are the things that like the patterns here. The heart is built of starlight and time, said by Kelly Barnhill. I love the pattern on this whole entire kaleidoscope. So there's a pattern, right? And it's symmetrical. It's like in shapes. And you twist it. Sorry, that's the best I could do. But you got a little, hopefully a little glimpse of what it looks like. It's super duper cool. It's really mesmerizing. And super duper pretty. So I like it. It's very, very neat. Okay, next up. We have a, okay. It says stay wild. I'm going to put it on my backpack. Wait. In very, very small handwriting. I'm going to put it on my backpack. Here's my backpack. This happens to be right next to me. Okay, super duper pretty. So I heard in 6th grade, for science, we are going to learn a lot about the moon.
Project about moon and
I heard that we're gonna do a huge project about the moon. So I really look forward to just very bottom I found learning about origami paper. And I remember coming across. This origami creative corner folding. Oh wow, this is a box. That's hard. Wow. Okay. Anyways, I saw origami. Color comes in these colors. Super duper pretty. I love origami. I love folding. It's like very, very satisfying when you like crease it and it goes like, you know. It's very, very satisfying. It's a thing I've always loved to do. Okay, now, no. This is a little Stardust, 100% organic from Moonlight Farms sticker. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look how aesthetic that is. Look how pretty it is. It fits the background. I'll do it one more time. This is the Plentiful Darkness by Heather Kastner. Heather Kastner. Oh, that name is very, very familiar. Here, let's see. Oh, Kastner. Oh, okay. She wrote The Forest of Stars and the Serafina. I'm very familiar with, and same with The Forest of Stars. I actually have a copy right upstairs. I brought The Forest of Stars with me. Yes, I should. I just love these. It says Forest Gallery. Find the stars to write pretty. Okay, but let's focus on The Plentiful Darkness. So, the author writes, "Dear reader, one night I had a dream, or rather nightmare, about a dark realm ruled by a magician. Okay, I remember wondering thoughts, this world wide-eyed with wonder and fear. The darkness was so deep, so quiet, so plentiful. The dream continued. I was all alone, and my curiosity grew. I wanted to poke at the world's gloomy corners. I wanted to light a candle and find all its secrets, and the secrets of the raven-haired magician. And so I took a pen to paper and began writing a story about a brave and stubborn girl named Rumi and her magical lunar mirror, about the moonless world she tumbled into. She's waiting for you. She'll show you the way. You won't have to go." And this book seems super duper mysterious. So I can't wait to read about that magician and Rumi. Yep. That is it in today's box. Let's go over to my favorite things. Okay. Definitely this Moonlight. Definitely. Origami paper. Oh, okay. You know what? Everything's my favorite. The book, of course, because the book's the book. And I really enjoyed today's box. So, the last thing here. The theme of the September OwlcrateJr. is creature community. We are celebrating creature communities next month. From symbiotic zoological relationships to fictional animal friendships. September's book is a timeless, low fantasy tale from one of the biggest middle grade authors of our time that brings together unforgettable characters and a powerful message about the interconnected nature of all creatures. This story will be perfect for fans of Crenshaw, The One and Only Ivan, and Flora Ulysses. So, thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later. Bye!